Every year, for 10 days, Sydney turns into this winter wonderland.
And every year, it still transports us to another magical world of Christmas delights.
We went to opening night of the Rock's Christmas market to unwrap the whole evening for you, top to bottom. Surprises in store.
So here's the quick version. Christmas in July started here at the Rocks back in 2017, and it's basically Sydney's answer to a European Christmas market, except it happens in the middle of winter when it actually feels like a European Christmas.
This year it's running for 10 days, the 10th to the 19th of July, free entry right through the sandstone laneways of the Rocks in Sydney.
This is Kendall Lane. They've turned the whole thing into Snow Lane.
It's the kind of spot you can easily miss, so just go through the giant snowflake.
So this is what you do in Sydney in the winter. You go down a little laneway.
Wow.
Lots of bubbles on you like it's snowing.
That's cool. Wow, Sydney. Christmas in July. We're completely snowed here. Your hair at the back is all covered. Look at that. Hilarious.
I love these. They're all fresh pine trees. We can smell the pine.
Wow.
Oh, how funny. Let me show you.
You're looking better.
No, you're looking good.
You filming yourself?
So much fun. So much fun. Even though it's just bubbles. You know it's just bubbles. Oh.
So here we are, Christmas in July. It's a thing that Sydney-siders do when it's cold and they want to get a feeling like it's Christmas, even though it's not Christmas, it's July. But it's cold, so why not be Christmas?
Some meat, okay?
Yep.
There are little clusters of these fire tables scattered through the market, so if you need a break from walking, stop here for mulled wine.
Is that my mead? Wow.
Lovely, warm, spiced. I went up and asked for mead. That's not the thing apparently. He had no idea what I was talking about. It's mulled wine.
Oh, good to know.
Yeah.
Could have missed out.
Covered in
it's all
it.
over it.
I do want to get some cheese, so I'm going to get some.
Yeah, do it.
These are giant balls of hanging Caciocavallo cheese on a string melted over hot coals and has roots in southern Italian shepherd tradition.
I ordered la tarine, which is 3 or 4 types of cheeses, melted cheeses, some ham and some drizzled honey on sourdough. Oh, there you are.
What have you got there?
So I chose to get a couple of sprinkles of chili, just to warm our insides.
Well, wonderful, why not? It's a good idea.
Alright, looks like I have to eat the whole thing all at once.
You want to do that right here? Bend it over with it. Yum. So ham off the bone and some cheese from the cheesy melt la tartine.
Alright, let's see what else we can find.
And then get ready to be tempted by chocolate at every turn. chocolate dipped strawberries, hot chocolate, melted chocolate, the list goes on. As well as every kind of snow globe you can imagine, obviously very on theme.
So here we are at the Rocks markets. They are on every weekend, Friday, Saturday and Sundays. But you should just check on the website because they have different themed ones, and this one is Christmas in July and runs for 9 days. So we're going to get stuck in.
Then there's the Berliner raspberry jam-filled donuts, or next door roasted chestnuts, which, if you've never had them warm out of the paper bag, is a completely different experience. Don't forget the gingerbread cookies with so many other treats too numerous to mention.
But be sure to save some room for my favourite, the creme brulee. Woo!
Once you've eaten your way through the market, the artisan shops and stalls are where you'll discover some more treasures.
There's a soap shop in the old Playfair Street workers' cottages that smells incredible and has some wonderfully Aussie-themed gifts to bring home to family and friends. Happy Jewellery is the jewellery shop we had to duck into. Handcrafted silver and semi-precious stones intricately set into beautiful matching pieces.
The words French sparkling chocolate in a bottle made us stop in our tracks for a quick tasting.
It smells like chocolate.
It does taste like chocolate.
First, no sculling.
Yeah, chocolate.
Chocolate?
Yeah.
Chocolate? Okay, so on your first sip, you're going to get more of the hazelnut hitting your palate.
The hazelnut.
Yeah.
Wow.
On the second sip, it'll change again. You get more of that light bubble, more of this other great popping ball. And then on the third sip, it'll change again. So it becomes really clean and crisp. That's how you continue to drink it. Just like a French sparkling.
Wow, that's really interesting the way it changes flavour with every sip.
This is the bit of the market that changes stall to stall each visit, so even if you've been before, there's usually something new next time you visit.
If you're gift shopping, start here rather than leaving it to the last day, as some of these products sell out.
All very good quality stuff. Wow. That's beautiful.
But here's the one that surprised us. Skewer stall doing kangaroo, emu and crocodile.
One kangaroo, one crocodile, one emu for the lovely lady.
Very Sydney way to do a European Christmas market. It's a great one to try if you've got visitors in town.
It is a bit like chicken. A bit tougher.
I think this might be the crocodile. No, that must be the kangaroo. Too tough. I heard crocodile slides off like fish but tastes like chicken. But I don't know if you got crocodile in there, do you?
I did.
Maybe the white one was the crocodile.
No, that was emu.
I don't know, I made that up, but I think it's crocodile.
Have you ever had crocodile before?
Yeah. It's got a fish-like feel and then it tastes like chicken.
Have you ever had emu before?
Yep. At the Australian, you can get the coat of arms on the pizza.
Oh, we should go do that.
When you get to the top of the markets, don't turn around yet. Look out for one last secret. There's a pop-up bar tucked right under the Harbour Bridge, and from where you're standing, you've got the Opera House lit up directly across the water.
Not a bad place for a drink.
Yeah.
It's a bit more relaxed than the main market, less crowded, so if you want a quieter moment out of the whole night, this is it. So that's Christmas in July at the Rocks.
Wear something warm and get here just before dark. If you liked this video and want to see more of Sydney, subscribe to help you plan your next inspired adventure.
It's Christmas in July at the Rocks.
See you hunting our next one.